Smart Lab. Today we're going to learn how to make idli. Like and subscribe. The ingredients for rava idli is semolina, yogurt, salt and eno. 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of eno. Are you all confused? Yes, it is the same eno we all use for flatulence. Let me start by adding rava. So we need to make that it's 1 cup full. Now I'm going to add 2 half cups of yogurt. Now let me mix it very well. Look at this consistency. Don't you feel it's a little thick? Now let's add some water to reduce the thickness of the batter. Let me mix it very well. We have reached the perfect consistency of an idli batter. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of salt. The idli batter has been sitting around for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the very special ingredient eno. Why do we add eno? Eno is added to make the idli fluffy. This is a very special ingredient and my mom's secret. When we start mixing, we can see bubbles coming up. And when these bubbles come up, that's the time when you have to put it in the idli batter. The first mold is set up. Closing the idli batter, set the timer for 10 minutes. I can sit back and listen to my favorite music. Now it's tasting time. Look how the idlis have turned out to be so fluffy. And this idlis I'm going to be eating with tenga chutney and homemade idli pudi. See how soft and fluffy it has turned out to be. So to reach the consistency, Amma, you're making me sit back and sit.